This video reviews the StairMaster StepMill 3-2 assembly. Step 1. Unpackage the machine and remove from the pallet. Use a second person when performing assembly steps requiring heavy lifting or awkward movements. Rotate and adjust the leveling feet under the machine as necessary to ensure the equipment is stable and on a level surface. Step 2. Slide the mast shroud onto the mast. Step 3. Using the wire tie within the mast, wrap the lower wire tie around the communication cable located at the top of the mast mounting area on the machine. Pull the wire tie at the console mounting end of the mast and feed the communication cable out the opening to expose the cable. Lift the mast into location and secure to the machine with 3 bolts and washers. Step 4. Bring the mast shroud into position, then place the mast shroud gasket between the mast and the shroud. Verify the gasket fit by adjusting or recentering the mast bolts as necessary, then fully tighten the mast bolts. Step 5. Attach the front shroud by positioning it into location and allow it to interlock with the mast shroud. Note: ensure both shrouds seat flush before fully tightening fasteners. Step 6. Locate the right side handrail and position into place by plugging the mast heart rate cable with the handrail heart rate cable. Guide the heart rate cables into the mast handrail tube while sliding the handrail over the mast handrail tube. Note: do not pinch the heart rate cables while sliding the handrails into position or when adding the connecting hardware. Step 7. Install the right side handrail base to the machine and fully tighten all hardware. Next, install the hardware gasket, ensuring the gasket groove is completely seated within the plastic shrouds. Repeat steps 6 and 7 for the left side handrail. Step 8. Ensure all connecting hardware is tight and install the 4 handrail nut caps. Step 9. Holding the console, connect the communications cable and the heart rate cables to the corresponding locations on the back of the console. Once connected, attach the console to the mast with the 4 fasteners. Step 10. Connect the power cord, test the machine for functionality, and reference the owner's manual for proper operation.